What's up everyone? If you want to change your theme background in ChatGPT app, then this video is definitely for you. So let's start. Open your ChatGPT app, swipe it from left to right, then go to your profile at the top corner at right side and scroll it down, and you can see your appearance. Click on it, and then there is an option of light and dark. If I want to make a dark, then I have to click at dark and OK. Boom. And in this simple way you can change your theme background color in ChatGPT app. Hope this video helped you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you everyone. Take care.